Hi everyone, need a full stack web app fast? In this video, I'll show you how to build a complete front-end plus back-end application in minutes using the Bolt. No setup, no boilerplate. So let's dive in. First, all you need to do is to go to Bolt and start a new project. Then here in the prompt box, describe your app. Build, like this example prompt here, build a full stack expense tracker with a dashboard. Add expense form database for your storing user entries. Then here, the Bolt will generate the front end UI, back end routes, and database schema. Then here, you can explore the auto-generated app. The front end uses React-like components, while the back end includes the API routes. Bolt automatically sets up the data model for expenses. And here you'll see the dashboard page with tables, chart, and add expense input form. Then after that, you can test the app instantly. Go to click the preview and then the top right to open the live version. Test adding entries, you can update the values and refreshing the dashboard. You're now running to a live full stack app instantly hosted by Bolt. And then the Bolt will auto-generate the front-end views, state logic, and connect it to back-end API. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've built a full-stack app using Bolt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.